Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the color theme in Instagram in any phone. So open Instagram, and at the top right corner where you have the three parallel lines, we will click on that. And then we need to scroll down. And here you will find accessibility under your app and media. Once you click on that, here you will find reduce the motion for visual effects in your chats, and just go to the dark mode and select on. So in this manner you have changed the theme. Currently it's only allowing the black theme, the black color, and which is soothing, and you can do that, you can try that. So you can say you can change how to change the color mode, the dark mode in Instagram, or the color theme. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.